Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Yadav and today I am going to speak about the basic communicative skills and I will show the procedure of lung auscultation in the patient of lobar pneumonia. So to begin with, first of all we need to introduce ourselves with the patient and also to collect their personal history as well as their primary complaints. So can you please tell me what is your name and age?
Yeah, I'm Jaswant Yadav, age 49 years.
And what about your complaints that you are having?
Yeah, I have some medical issues. For the last few days, I'm suffering from the cough, fever, and breathing problems.
Okay, and any kind of chest discomfort or chest pain?
During night, I felt some mild chest pain.
Okay, and what kind of cough you are having? Dry? Is it dry or is it?
It's not dry, it's purely sputum.
Okay, so you're having sputum, cough is sputum. And did you, in past, have you done any kind of blood test or analysis or any other kind of?
No, nothing test. No test and no medical advices.
Okay, so this is your first time.
Yeah.
So first of all, you need to do your blood test, complete blood test. Along with that, you should also do your complete urine test, urine analysis. And along with that, it is very important that you should also give your sputum for the bacterial culture, because I am suspecting that you are having signs of pneumonia, and to confirm that this sputum bacterial culture is very important. Okay, so I hope you will do this test within like few days, and after that you can bring me the report and I will look onto that and further diagnosis I will give on that basis.
Okay.
So the next thing that I would like to do is to you can say suspect or to check the patient's lungs by the help of auscultation. Now in auscultation, what I will do is there are certain points in the lungs from the front side of the chest as well as the back side of the chest, and I will hear them while using my stethoscope, and during this process I will ask the patient to breathe deeply so that I can hear. And one thing that I will look for while auscultating is that whenever the patient is suffering from, you can say, pneumonia, the disease like pneumonia, he will have characteristic sound during auscultation, that is crepitus or crackling sounds I can hear. So I will look basically for those sounds. So let's start that auscultation. You take a deep breath. Yeah, release. Again. Release. Again. Release. Again. Release. Again. Release. Again. Release. So you can see that the points that I am doing auscultation on, the first one is this point above your clavicle. This point represents the apex of the lung. So any kind of problem, you can say, if that particular disease is present in the upper lobe of the lungs, I can see or I can hear the abnormal sound when I'm auscultating this point. So all these points represent different lobes of the lung. We know that in right side there are 3 lobes and in left side there are 2 lobes. So if there is problem in the middle lobe, we can hear abnormal sounds while auscultating these points in the right lung. If you are having any kind of problem in the left lower lobe, you can hear the abnormal sounds while auscultating these points. Now, the most common location of pneumonia is in the lower lobes. So for lower lobes, we'll auscultate the point that is present in the mid-axillary line, that is in this part and this part, in the right side and left side. Can you turn it a little? And this is the mid-axillary line, and the point, the intercostal space should be 7th intercostal space. Take a deep breath. Please. This side also. Take a deep breath. Release. Yeah, so I can hear some crackling sounds, in particular in this point. So this suggests me of that the patient is having certain problem in this right lower lobe of that lung. So to confirm that, I will also check the patient from back side as well. So once I am suspecting the problem in the right side, I will only auscultate in the right side. So take a deep breath. Release. Again. Release. Again. Release. Take. So yeah, now I'm pretty sure that he's having some problem in the right lower lobe of the lung. So to confirm that, I will also suggest you to have a chest X-ray as soon as possible, and also bring that report along with your other analysis and all. So till the time that you will get all these culture reports and the X-ray done, I will give you some symptomatic treatment or some medicine that will help you with your problems. For that, first of all, you need to take antibiotic. That will be as in, we should have without, you can say, the cultural reports positive. Every time we can give empirical antibiotics. That means we don't know what is the you can say main cause of that disease, but we can give broad spectrum antibiotic that will work in all of the cases. Number one, you should take penicillin for 10 days, 2 times a day. Along with that, you should also take cefotaxime along with that. And if you are saying that you are having high mucus while coughing, you can take any kind of mucolytic or cough syrup also you can take. That will be common. And other than these medication, take bed rest, and along with that, you should drink plenty of fluid. It will help to, you can say, prevent any kind of weakness or lethargy in your body. And if you're having some problem in your throat, you can often drink warm water or warm tea. That will be sufficient till that time. So further treatment or further management I will done on the basis of these reports. So thank you.